The Canon EOS R5 Mark II stands as a testament to Canon's relentless pursuit of innovation, blending advanced imaging technologies with real-world practicality for today's hybrid creators. At its core lies a 45-megapixel full-frame, back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor, a marvel designed to deliver not only outstanding resolution, but also remarkable speed. Thanks to the stacked architecture, the sensor achieves lightning-fast readout times, drastically reducing rolling shutter distortion whether you're capturing high-speed athletes or filming cinematic video sequences. The native ISO range stretches from 100 to 51,200, expandable to 102,400, ensuring clean, detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. For those who push the boundaries in low light, Canon's in-camera neural network noise reduction keeps images crisp and usable up to ISO 25,600, while upscaling technology lets you expand your files up to a staggering 179 megapixels, a boon for large format prints or aggressive cropping. The R5 Mark II's power is driven by the tandem force of the Digic X and the cutting-edge Digic accelerator processors. This dual-chip architecture is engineered for speed and efficiency, enabling features like 30 frames per second shooting with the electronic shutter, rapid and accurate metering across 6,144 zones, and advanced autofocus subject recognition. The autofocus system, dubbed Dual Pixel Intelligent AF, is a leap forward in subject detection and tracking. Deep learning algorithms underpin its abilities, recognizing people, animals, and even insects with uncanny precision. Eye Control AF, inherited and refined from Canon's flagship models, allows photographers to shift focus simply by looking at the intended subject within the viewfinder, accelerating workflow and ensuring decisive moments are never missed. For portrait and event work, People Priority AF locks onto your chosen individual, while Action Priority AF smartly predicts and captures peak moments in fast-moving sports, features that set the R5 Mark II apart in the field. Not only is this camera quick, but it's agile. The electronic shutter fires at up to 30 frames per second, while the mechanical shutter can achieve 12 FPS, both supported by generous buffer depths, especially when paired with high-speed CF Express cards. Advanced pre-capture functions record up to half a second before the shutter is fully pressed, capturing fleeting instants that might otherwise be lost. For those who specialize in macro or product photography, the depth compositing feature automatically combines images focused at different distances, creating frame-filling shots with impressive depth of field. When it comes to video, the EOS R5 Mark II is a powerhouse. It supports 8K recording in Canon Light RAW at up to 60 frames per second and 4K up to 120p, both with audio. Oversampled 4K Fine Mode leverages the full 8K sensor for razor-sharp detail, while Canon Log 2 and Log 3 profiles provide unmatched flexibility for color grading in post. Audio is professional-grade as well, supporting 24-bit, 4-channel recording through the multi-function hot shoe, and waveform monitoring ensures precise exposure in demanding shooting scenarios. An optional cooling fan grip extends 8K recording times, making the camera a reliable tool for extended interviews or event coverage. In-body image stabilization offers up to 8.5 stops of shake reduction, opening creative doors for handheld shooting in low light or with long telephoto lenses. The electronic viewfinder is bright, crisp, and responsive, while the vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes composing from tricky angles effortless. Durability hasn't been sacrificed for performance. The magnesium alloy body is both weather-sealed and robust, ready for the rigors of professional use. Storage needs are met with dual slots. One CF Express Type B for rapid bursts and high bitrate video, and one SD UHS-2 for versatility. Connectivity is future-proofed, featuring Wi-Fi 6E, USB tethering, full-size HDMI, and more. The new LPE6P battery ensures high performance, though those shooting extensive video may wish for even more capacity. Ultimately, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II is engineered for creators who demand the very best in both stills and video. It's an ideal choice for sports, wildlife, events, and hybrid shooters, requiring uncompromising speed, resolution, and versatility. While it comes at a premium price, an extended 8K video requires optional accessories. Its blend of cutting-edge autofocus, pro-level video, and robust build quality firmly establish it as one of the most capable and compelling hybrid cameras available today.